Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the October 2021 Simply Gilded subscription kit titled Home Sweet Home. If you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'll be honest, September, I went and canceled my Simply Gilded sub. Whew. I just was not happy with the September box, and so I canceled it. And somehow, some way, someone gifted me the box, which is how I was able to do the unboxing up here. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. When I saw Irene do the reveal for this box, I said I had to have it. It looked like, you know, things were back on track. I'm here for the plaid and the gold. Everything. Loving the color scheme. There's no place like home. So, that's all I have to say about that. So, we have our what's inside card, and it lists everything in the order. I'm going to sit this up here and go through the box in the order of the card. First things first, we have the foiled journaling card. Y'all, I love this. The green, that deep green, the gold, all of the colors together, especially with the plaid, I'm here for. So this is our foiled journaling card. The next item is the designer washi tapes. Y'all, I was prepared this time, and I went ahead and opened them up, rolled them out. Quick disclaimer, I will be showing the mystery item. I will warn you before I show it. So if you're not interested in seeing it, you'll have time to exit this video. So, this is the regular washi that comes with the kit. And then I have the 5mm add-on. So, we have our two kit plaids with the gold foil. We have this perforated gold, this floral with the gold line. We have jasper. We have some perforated date covers, and we've got our baking washi. We have eggs. We've got a little crock pot, butter. So we have things going on here. And then our 5mm add-on. We have the baby of the plaid. We have this color block with this pretty cream and the gold. We have the stars with this mint green color with the gold foil. And then we have this kind of gray pewter color with the gold foil hearts. So, here's what it looks like rolled out. We have the plaids, the baking set, jasper, the florals with the gold line, the perforated date covers, the perforated headers, the gold headers, and then the 5mm add-on. We have the plaid with the gold bows, the color block, the stars, and the hearts. So, this is this month's washi. The next item, y'all, I'm pretty excited about. I was pretty happy to hear that Irene had revamped the sticker kit, and we can literally use this kit for the entire month. You can get an entire month's worth of spreads. So let's go through the new format. This first page has all of our full boxes, as well as some headers down here at the bottom. The second page has headers, checklists. We have some quarter boxes. We have some more headers. And then we have our half boxes down here. The third page, we've got plenty of checklists. We've got some flags. We've got some deco here. And then we have our heart icons, which we lost from, I don't know if you remember, there was usually another mini sheet with heart icons, which we still have some down here at the bottom, but there was a separate sheet. We now have them here on this third sheet. Last but not least, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of date covers. Like I said, you can now stretch this kit for an entire month. So for those of you that only subscribe to Simply Gilded and get the entire kit, you won't have to substitute, you won't have to supplement with anything else. You now have an entire sticker kit to last you an entire month. So we have our date covers, we have 2 to-do headers, we've got some more half boxes and some headers: meeting, appointment, important, goals, shopping list, meal plan, to clean, to do. So those are the 4 full sheets of stickers, y'all. Next, we have our heart icons dates. They are foiled, as you can see, and in the really pretty plaid print. And then we have our bow seals. Super cute, y'all. I'm really in love with the florals and the plaid. So this is the sticker kit for this month, and going forward, this is the new format. Next up, we've got another mini album. Y'all, look at this. It's so pretty. I love plaid anything, in case I have not already said that 5,000 times. We have the gold hardware. Let's give you a view of the outside. Have our snap, and the interior is this pretty, really light lilac pink. We have the Simply Gilded embossing here, and plenty of space to stick your stickers. Stick your stickers! So this is the printed mini album. The next item is this B6 stitch binding notebook. I never open these because I never use them. They typically end up listed on my Mercari store. So if you're interested in this, move fast. This is the B6 stitch binding notebook for the month. The next item up is this month's pen. And y'all, I'm always here for the glitter in the paint. Let's see if we can capture it this month. Let's see. No, maybe no. So we have that cute little bow detail there with the gold foil. You'll always have your Simply Gilded bow at the top. Simply Gilded on the logo. And this is black gel ink. So here is this month's pen. The next item up is the foiled weekly notepad. So I'm pretty sure this is going to fit in the pad folio that was in not last month's box, but the month before. And it's this pretty peach color. It has gold foil on here. You have the days of the week, top goals, to do, notes, all in gold foil. A space to put the date up here. And I believe there are 25 sheets here. And it does have the cardboard backing so that you can slide it into your pad folio. So this is the foiled weekly notepad. The next item is the Jasper magnet. Y'all, that plaid. Look how cute he looks against that plaid. So, come on out of there, Jasper. What do you stick to? Oh, there's no backing for the magnet. You just stick him to things. Let's find you something to stick to, Jasper. Not enough. Y'all, I have all my magnets over there on my cart. So I don't have anything to stick Jasper to. Not a single thing over here. Here is the Jasper magnet. Now, I am getting ready to show the mystery item. If you're not interested in seeing it, thank you so much for watching this video. Exit stage left. But if you are interested in the mystery item, boom. Y'all, we have these cute little recipe cards. And it has that plaid material, the plaid print on the back. So cute. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. And it has a space for title, serves, prep time, cook time, ingredients, and your method. Oh, they all have different, we have to look at them. Okay, so they all have different backs. We have our cake, our bundt cake. And then we have Jasper. Next we have our ingredients: sugar, eggs, spoon, butter, and flour. And then we have our plaid print. So this is the mystery item. We have these recipe cards. Alright, y'all, so here is the October 2021 Simply Gilded subscription titled Home Sweet Home. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!